Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and I'm going to be bringing you another how to fold a pocket square video. And if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my full playlist of pocket square folding videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the double wave fold. So the double wave fold, lay out your pocket squares. Because I have satin, I'm going to flip this over because I want finished sides coming up after I've folded these, lay them on top of each other. I'm going to fold these down to a smaller square, so first into a rectangle and then into a smaller square. Now I have all the open ends showing up at the top here, so I'm going to basically build a 4 stairs fold. So I'm going to fold the one side down. This is going to be my first wave stair. These two next pocket folds or pieces are going to be folded back into the pocket. Now the next two are going to be folded back into the pocket, so I have my layered colors, and then yellow being my last layer. It's going to be folded back, and from here I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to sort of off center. I'm going to turn these over and pull them down like so. And this is where I get to build my wave up a little bit. So I want some separation between these pocket squares. So, there's a bit of a break between them. So I'm kind of looking like this right now at the moment. So this is what should be showing out of your pocket square. And then I'm going to tuck all of the rest of this behind so it's not seen.